Hey guys, and welcome back to another Makeup Monday with me, Letty. Today we're going to be doing an easy makeup look with just like a little pop of color in it. So to start, I'm going to be taking a peachy color, and I'm just going to pat that right on the middle of my lid. I'm just patting that around here. And when I'm done, it looks something kind of like this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a brown color. I'm just going to kind of start making a triangle shape outwards and then up over that peachy color we added. At first, I'm just gonna pat that in. And then I'm gonna start blending it out by making little circular motions. And now that I've got that brown in, I'm gonna take a lighter paley brown and I'm just gonna blend that in using small circular motions. And I'm gonna add a little bit more brown into the inner corner and blend that more into the peach. All right, and now I'm taking a nice pale pastel-y green and I'm just buffing that into the front of my eyebrow here. Using it to help blend out the brown going up into my eyebrow. And then I'm also gonna take it under my eye. And with my finger, I'm gonna take some of this white and I'm just gonna plop that into my inner corner. And time for liner. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little inner corner wing. So I'm just going to start from the tip of this and kind of drag outwards. All right, I'm gonna go off cam. I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my makeup and I will see you guys in a second. Bye. Hey guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Green is my favorite color. I just don't get to use it as often as I would like to in my makeup because I stream and I use a green screen. So I don't get to use it that much, but I hope you guys love it. It's just a subtle little pop of green. Anyway, guys, don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. You can see all of the links to all of the social media accounts that I own in the description below. And I love you guys so much. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!